Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels at Dunkin Donuts using an easy method. First, you'll begin with pre-portioned bagel dough, ensuring it's properly thawed for optimal handling. Gently shape each piece into a smooth, uniform ball. This initial step is crucial for achieving that classic bagel texture and appearance. We're aiming for consistency across all your bagels. Next, it's time to give your bagels their iconic shape. Using your thumb or a special tool, create a hole directly in the center of each dough ball. Then, gently stretch the dough around the hole to enlarge it. You're looking for a hole diameter of approximately 1½ inches. This ensures even cooking and that perfect bagel chew. Now for the crucial boiling step. Carefully place your shaped bagels into boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds on each side. This quick boil is what gives bagels their unique chewy interior and shiny, crisp crust. Once boiled, remove them and immediately apply your favorite toppings, like sesame seeds or everything seasoning, before baking. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious bagels. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius until they are beautifully golden brown. This usually takes between 15 and 20 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Enjoy your freshly made Dunkin' Donut style bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.